close push. It depends on the car.
Yeah.
Besides,
right.
for like 2 carts here.
Coming down. All right.
Lift
5, 4,
I know
3,
there's 2 that have
2,
Mondo
1,
and I'm not
go! And they're off. Tokyo Drift takes it into turn 1. Totally behind the Stingray. Traffic's really catching up now. Summing it up. Oh, Africa having a little trouble with the hairpin. All right, Pony's chasing down Faire. We got more trouble in turn 1. Tokyo Drift and Stingray cut through the back of the back traffic through the back markers. F40 is taking their first break. Oh, and we got a caution in the back. Camaro is taking a retirement. Hopefully we'll get them back soon.
There you go.
And we're back. Oh, E-House is going the wrong way in the trap. Getting back in it. Oh. Yep. We got the Dodge Ram coming back across the start finish line. Getting down, speed down the straightaway. Faire getting a pass on the mystery going. Out. And E-House having a little trouble back there again. We'll get them going though. We're back to full green racing. Our leaders are having a little bit of trouble getting through the lap traffic. Making a few passes. Tony's stuck in the middle there, following Tokyo Drift. Stingray coming up right behind them. Oh, and a little bit of a collision in the back pit entrance. Caution. Pretty slowly working their way around the incident.
Still under caution.
Yeah, get him out of there. Still caution. Got another caution back here in turn 2.
Back up, everybody.
Everybody is just packed up like we're in complete gridlock here. All right, everybody's getting through. There we go. E-House taking the chance to slide into the wall a little bit. Yep. Might want to make sure you're stuck back.
We had 3 bumpers already
got a little while.
They get off the track.
Stingray working its way through the traffic.
I don't know.
Catching up on Africa.
Caution.
More caution for turn 1. With your 2. And we're good.
Go.
Nope. I lied. Another caution on the back straight. Misery Machine taking the chance to get out to the pit. Okay, as it stands, Tokyo Drift is in the lead still. Shortly behind Stingray, followed by Dodge Ram, Faire, Africa, Pony Express, Matt Sting, Mystery Machine, and E-House Mustang round out your top 10. And we got more trouble with turn 1 and turn 2.
This ain't working. Just leave those tails out, honestly.
Oh, F40 having trouble. Need to get it pushed out.
And the Ferrari rolling in his grave.
Ferrari.
Here outside? Yep. If someone's back, wait for the yellow flag.
We have Camaro coming down the front street.
Okay. Looking at the Garden State Parkway here.
Next thing is Dodge racing down the back to the front. We got a nice race coming into turn 1. Seem to be dropping a few of our racers. Quite as many as we started with. Next thing is Dodge Ram fighting it back on the back straight. Leading a long pack of our front leaders. Handling back and forth. Oh, we got an accident in turn 1. The leaders had collided. for all the carnage we have at least a consistent lead in the race, but Tokyo Drift still in first, followed by Stingray and Dodge Ram. Yeah, Tokyo Drift and Stingray are about to pass Dodge Ram as well. Oh, and Faire having a little bit of trouble on the back straight. And that thing, no, you have to let people pass. The corner, and people are behind you, and then they're into the corner. More gridlock.
Oh, stop.
And our good marshals here will work to unlock everybody up here so we get back to some racing action.
Bumpers interlocked.
Oh, the bumper's locked up. That's new.
Oh, Doctor, we got a new
They just really wanted to race together. Tokyo Drift having some trouble steering on the back, but I think you got enough control. Racers down the front straight. Stingray's got a little bit of traffic to catch up to them.
People are trying to go like this. Ooh, yeah.
Faire having a nice little race by themselves there. Plenty of space around them. All those leaders are expected to come back around. Stingray's got one more back marker to get around.
Somebody stops after 3 seconds, you start waving.
As Faire and Dodge Ram start fighting for each other going into turn one. Oh, Pony's making a surprise pass. Stingray finally getting clear, catching back up. Lap 18, Tokyo Drift and Stingray are still our leaders, but Pony Express has overtaken Dodge Ram, and Dodge is falling back to fifth. As we see Pony working their way into turn one here on Camaro, blocking up the leaders a little bit.
Whenever you want to do it, because I feel no. I think they just took themselves out.
That thing with some clear air to get their race back under control. So we see the group come back down the front straight. So far, after our early tires, it looks like everybody's trying to calm down a little bit. With our leaders squeaking past Camaro, it seems to be losing a little bit of power. Stingray and Tokyo Drift right on each other's bumpers. But Tokyo's still in the lead. They're both on the same lap. So if one can get past the other, we might see a lead change here. Tokyo fighting with Mustang to get by into turn one. We've got caution coming in.
The problem fixed itself. Yep.
Oh, and Mustang crushes the barrier, giving Stingray clear air to get back up. All right, we got 23 laps down in this race, so 60 laps total. Not much change. Oh, Faire spins out on the back straight. We got a caution with the lead, with the group coming back through. The leaders squeak their way through. E-House manages to get by. Faire reorients themselves on the racetrack. Camaro and Red Baron fighting a little bit on the back straight here, with the leaders right behind them. E-House catching back up, and Tony behind him. Oh, Mustang taking a wide corner, causing a little bit of trouble for the rest of the traffic. Again, allowing a gap for Tokyo Drift to get through. Stingray's again got to make up some more work. Although Tokyo's got a bit of their own problems. Work through turn 2 and turn 3. As the Pony and the two Mustangs work together. I guess that's 3 Mustangs then. leaders, as they work their way around there, see a little bit of damage. As again, Tokyo manages to get through. Stingray needing to fight through the traffic, but they're right on each other's bumper again. Alright, our leaders are coming back down the straightaway. We're at our halfway mark of the race. Lap 30 of 60. Tokyo has pulled out a little bit of a lead over Stingray, but again, no traffic between them. They can close that up really quick. Oh, Africa, I missed the straight that you all got to watch. Africa spinning out on the front straight. Again, having to reorient itself to the direction of the racetrack. Stingray working to make up for that spin out. Gets back up to Tokyo Drift. Kurt and Pony also on the same, sort of on the same lap. Kurt is in the lead. Maybe they have overtaken Pony for third. We're trying to work on a timing issue here. Just looking at the computer. Again, inmates running the asylum. We'll let you know how we're going. We have our field crew sweeping up the back straight and make sure we got plenty of traction for our race race. Pony working their way through the traffic as well, getting past that sting. Stingray working through left, because of left traction to catch back up. Tony and Camaro fighting down the straight driving. In the back here we have our leader, Tokyo Drift, coming around. The Apricot dragging their hood, really pushing their way through this race. Coming to the close of this race, we're about 14 minutes into our 15-minute race. We'll be approaching our final laps here pretty quick. Stingray working its way past Faire into turn 1 and hoping to get past Apricot in the next set of hairpins. While Tokyo Drift is almost made their way back to turn 1. Alright, we're getting close to the last lap. Next time our leaders come back around, we'll be on the lead. We'll be on our last lap. As Africar is having some issues back in the hairpin. Late lap. Alright, one more lap remaining in our race. Stingray comes back around as well. Hopefully they can catch back up on this lap. We have Faire coming across. Tokyo Drift working their way behind that thing with Tony still behind them. That's our race. Tokyo Drift taking first. Stingray taking second. So let's bring them up, and Pony Express was in third. Hey, let's see if that's better. All right, we have our race winner here, Tokyo Drift.
Yeah.
Stingray in second, and Pony Express in third.
Yep.
Do we have a medal somewhere?
We have medals. And in the red basket.
Apparently they're in the red basket, and we'll get some hardware passed out.
So we're first place in IOU.
Right.
There's only so many laser hours in the day.
Yep, fair enough.
Oh, did the laser stop working?
No, it was being done last night at like 4 a.m.
All right, in third place, getting a bronze no, is Pony Express. Driven by our lovely timing and scoring and administration. In second place, Stingray getting a silver okay. Also has been running our races for us today. And in first place, receiving another IOU, is Tokyo Drift. So hopefully tomorrow they'll be able to pick up their gold yeses. And yeah, so our next race will be here at 4 o'clock today for our third and final sprint race of the weekend. And then tomorrow, make sure you catch up with us to catch our 75-minute endurance race. Do you think they dropped out quick this time? We'll be lucky if we have anybody running tomorrow.